Hey there everybody, and welcome to this next lesson. In this lesson, I want to show you one of my favorite techniques when developing logos inside of Adobe After Effects. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you what I always call client gold, because when you do this for your client, they're going to absolutely love it. It's the CC light sweep effect, and it's really simple and really easy to use. You can go as complex as you want or as simple as you want. Let's dive right into it. So to find this, you can find it in various ways. You can type CC light and you'll see CC light sweep show up here. You can also go to your effects and generate, but if you're going to do that, you want to make sure that you select a layer. So effect, generate, CC light sweep. Again, right there, you can also search for it in your effects and presets if you wish. And when you go to light sweep, you're going to be met with a couple different options. I already have a drop shadow effect on this, so I'm going to just minimize this. But basically what you have is you have the center of your light sweep, which is just where it currently is. You can see it added a little shine over here. And we have the rotation, so if we wanted to rotate this a little bit, again, we could do that. And my favorite part is this little button that comes with it in the middle. And you can see that little button is kind of fun. So I'm going to kind of do a little unorthodox. I'm going to go against the grain of the actual logo's highlight. But we can change the shape from sharp to smooth, and that's just going to give it a little more expansion. And we can play with different things like the intensity, the sweep intensity. Again, that's going to be just kind of the center of the sweep, if you think of it that way, and then the thickness of those edges, because what's happening is it's almost giving us a bevel-like effect. We can play with the different images, so we can do a cutout, and you could do kind of a ghostly reveal if you wanted. You can kind of blend it a little more with composite, or you can even change the light color in this case to, if we wanted to, something like yellow, just to kind of get that electric kind of flash-like feel. And we could even use our eyedropper there to just kind of tweak that to be a little off-white as we go. So how do we animate this? Super, super simple. What we're going to do is we're going to use this little controller. So we're going to pull it off screen, and that little controller is actually controlled by this little target. So you can go boop, plop it into place if you wish. So if you don't want to click and drag, or if you're afraid you're going to mess your layers up, you can do that. I'm going to click a keyframe for center. I'm going to just keep this super quick and a couple frames up. Whoop, drag it all the way to the end, and as you can see, if I hit the space bar, we now have a beautiful light sweep. Like anything, we can hit the U key for anything U keyframed. We can hit the and hit that F9 key, or you can go ahead and do your easy ease, which is up to you. And now we have some beautiful follow through action, which if we want to make a little bit more overlapped, we can do that. And within a matter of seconds, you've just created an amazing light sweep that gives your logo that professional polish. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I'll see you next time.